This is Maths with Atanda. Welcome for our new section again. Now, today I also come with what? With a problem under what? A limit of a function. And we are asked to find or to evaluate what is the limit of this function given to us. We are given that, okay, we should evaluate as what? As x tends to what? To 2. So what is the limit of x minus 2 all over x squared minus what? Minus 4. Believe me, my brother, it is simple. Let's solve it and see. Let's go. Now, the first thing to do, let's write solution. Right, solution. We are asked to what? To evaluate the limit of this function. Now, to find the limit, if you can check right now, you can say, okay, let's have the limit as x tends to what? To 2 of what? X minus 2 all over x squared minus what? Minus 4. So, some students actually plug the 2 direct since we are actually having 2 as the limit. No, when you do that, you know that you will be having, when you plug 2 direct, we are having, okay, we have 2 minus 2 all over 2 squared minus what? Minus 4. Everything will now to 0 over 0, which is equal to 0. But believe me, this is not the what? This is not the limit of this function. So for us to get the limit of this function, what we have to do right now, so let's clean this up because this is not the limit. Now, what we now be having right now, the first thing to do is that look at this question very well. When you look at the question very well, what do we see? You can see that, okay, we are having x minus 2 all over x squared minus 4. Now, look at the denominator. We are having difference of 2 squares. So let's try to simplify it to the what? To the lowest level. Now, by this is difference of 2 squares. So we can still write as what? As our limit as x approaches 2, which is x minus 2 all over. This is difference of 2 squares. When you remember difference of 2 squares, whenever we have a squared minus b squared, it can easily be seen as what? A add b multiplied by a take away b, right? So whenever you have this at the back of your mind, then we now have to apply it here as well, right? So by applying it here, we will now be having our what? Our a here is x, while our what? Our b is what? Is 4, right? Because we can see 4 as what? 2 squared, right? Which is still different of 2 squares, right? Very good. When we have that at the back of our mind, then we are easily to what? To express our denominator in this form, right? So let's do that, which means we'll now be having our x minus 2, sorry, yes, x minus 2 bracket x what? X plus what? Plus 2. Hope you are following. Now, clearly right now, from here you can see that, okay, this is x minus 2, this is also another x minus 2. So easily